What is the furthest anyone has ever been from Earth? Well, Yuri Gagarin, the first astronaut ever, traveled 327 kilometers above Earth, just barely passing the Earth's atmosphere, but still lower than the Hubble telescope, which orbits at 540 kilometers. On the ISS, astronauts orbit roughly 400 kilometers above the surface, just a little further than Yuri. But then, we left Earth. Apollo 8 was the first test to send astronauts to orbit the Moon. They traveled a whopping 376,000 kilometers away to the far side of the Moon, then came home, just to be beat by the crew of Apollo 13. The Apollo 13 crew were on their way to the Moon when an oxygen tank suddenly exploded, forcing them to make an emergency trajectory, circling the Moon, to return home. They ended up flying an insane 400,171 kilometers away from Earth, the furthest distance any human being has ever traveled from our little ball of rock. But scientists estimate that in the next 10 years, we will have made it to Mars, which would put us a whole lot further.